Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Luxury 1272, your ultimate destination for exploring the world's finest automobiles. Today, we're diving into the stunning exterior of the 2025 Cadillac Escalade, a true icon of luxury and design. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade is a masterpiece that combines modern sophistication with Cadillac's timeless design DNA. From the first glance, it's impossible to ignore its commanding presence on the road. The Escalade's bold, upright stance is enhanced by sharp lines, sculpted bodywork, and an imposing front fascia. At the front, the massive grille instantly grabs your attention. This isn't just any grille, it's a signature element of Cadillac's design language, with intricate detailing and a polished finish that reflects both strength and elegance. The grille is flanked by ultra-slim vertical LED headlights that give the Escalade a futuristic and high-tech vibe. These lights aren't just stylish, they're designed for maximum visibility, making nighttime driving safer and more luxurious. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the sheer scale of this SUV, but Cadillac has managed to balance its size with a sense of refinement. The bold character lines running from the front to the rear create a sense of motion, even when the vehicle is stationary. The large windows, with their clean, frameless look, enhance visibility while maintaining the vehicle's sleek profile. The wheels are another standout feature. The 2025 Escalade offers multiple wheel designs, ranging from 22 inches and beyond, each one meticulously crafted to complement the SUV's bold personality. These wheels not only add to the aesthetics but also enhance performance and ride quality. Cadillac has gone the extra mile to ensure every aspect of the exterior aligns with the brand's reputation for luxury and innovation. At the rear, the design seamlessly integrates modernity and practicality. The signature vertical LED taillights stretch from the bumper to the roof line, creating a striking visual effect that ensures the Escalade is unmistakable, even from a distance. The hands-free liftgate, elegantly incorporated into the rear design, adds convenience without compromising the Escalade's aesthetic appeal. Another impressive element of the 2025 Escalade's exterior is the use of premium materials and advanced craftsmanship. Cadillac employs high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum, ensuring durability and performance without sacrificing elegance. The paint options are equally luxurious, offering a range of colors with a high-gloss finish. Each hue is designed to accentuate the Escalade's contours and provide a mirror-like shine that stands out in any setting. When it comes to aerodynamics, the Escalade defies expectations for a vehicle of its size. Cadillac engineers have meticulously designed every detail to optimize airflow, from the shape of the mirrors to the subtle roof spoilers. This not only enhances performance and fuel efficiency but also reduces wind noise, making the Escalade quieter on the road. The 2025 Escalade's exterior design also pays homage to its rich history. Cadillac has retained elements of its iconic design language while introducing modern updates that appeal to today's luxury SUV buyers. For instance, the vertical lighting design is a nod to classic Cadillacs, while the overall boldness and sophistication reflect the brand's evolution. Let's not forget the advanced technology seamlessly integrated into the exterior. The Escalade features hidden sensors and cameras that support the latest driver assistance systems. These components are cleverly concealed to maintain the vehicle's clean and polished look, even as they enhance safety and convenience. Customization is another highlight of the 2025 Cadillac Escalade. Cadillac offers various exterior packages that allow buyers to tailor the look of their Escalade. From blacked-out trims to chrome accents, the options cater to diverse tastes, ensuring every Escalade is as unique as its owner. In conclusion, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade sets a new benchmark for luxury SUV design. Its bold yet refined exterior combines cutting-edge technology with Cadillac's timeless elegance. Whether parked or in motion, the Escalade demands attention and embodies the pinnacle of automotive luxury. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Cadillac Escalade's exterior. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Luxury 1272 for more in-depth looks at the world's most luxurious vehicles. See you in the next video.